Hey guys! So today I'm going to be opening, reviewing, and trying on my new spooky themed Lolita coordinate. So I put together a spooky looking coordinate from some different sellers that were on Taobao. I'll totally link everything down below for you if you like any of the items that I bought. So I only spent 60 New Zealand dollars. I'll put up your US equivalent for you somewhere. But yeah man, nice and cheap. My dress cost, it was like $29. I got a belt, which was about $13, a blouse, which was also about $13, and then lastly a headpiece, and that was really cheap. That may have been about $6. So to start with, one of the Taobao sellers, I'm not sure which one to be honest, because I put in an order with a bunch of my friends and you know, they just gave me the stuff. One of my Taobao sellers gave me this bag, which is so cute. He's gorgeous. Do you see him? Really full tummy, and then this side he's super determined. I don't know. I love that. Enough about the bag. It's reusable though, so I'll totally reuse that. Ooh, exciting. So I'm gonna start with the blouse. Let's open this up. So here is the blouse. Now, straight off the bat, you can see it is quite a short blouse. So this is like a crop top in a blouse, really. It has this big dangly open sleeve. I believe they're called princess sleeves, which makes me love them even more. This blouse does come with some neckties, so crossover neck situation, or you can just tuck it into the blouse and not bother with that. So here's the lace up close, which looks quite nice. It feels nice enough. It doesn't directly touch the skin, so it wouldn't matter too much if it was itchy. I'm very pleased for a $13 blouse. I feel like if I try it on and if it looks really good, I'm gonna buy it in white as well, because I think it'll suit my super sweet or pastel colors like this right here. It'll suit a lot of those coordinates as well. Next item, I will show you the headband that I bought. So here it is now that I kind of foofed it up a little bit from the packaging. So it's one of those headbands that lie nice and kind of flat on the head. It's got lovely lace and little pearl details. Down on the sides it also has little bow with extra pearls. Now the dress that I chose has white detailing, so I thought putting some pearls and some whites in the headband would be really quite nice. I'll show you the dress now and then I'll show you the belt afterwards. So here it is. Now it came in this lovely bag. I love these bags so much. I store all of my wigs in these, you know, just with that little ziploc baggy situation at the top. So this is it. Super cute, or should I say super spooky. Let me hold it up a little bit better so you can see. So starting with the straps, they are very basic, just kind of plain ribbon. It looks like ribbon, yet on the underside it actually has the print of the dress. Is this inside out then? One second. No, it's not inside out. I'm not sure if that's on purpose or whether they actually wanted the print to be on the outside, but the way it's sewn, the print is underneath. I didn't know it had this, but this is really cool. So we have a couple options for sizing. At the back, these detach with button, and you can have it on the lower setting or have it on the upper setting, I suppose, depending on the different shapes of your body, whatever you got going on. So the bodice itself is quite plain. We don't have loads of detailing apart from the print itself. At the top, I've got this very thin, kind of plain looking lace. It's quite soft, which is nice. If it were to touch my skin, that wouldn't irritate it at all. You can see the dress is majoritively black. Aside from that, we have all of our details just in white on top. So we have some cloud details. You can see right in the middle we have this little bird skull. There's very light detailing of stars and some more clouds that are just done in a light gray outline, I believe. So the pattern just continues on from the bodice, but now that it's further down we can see some more details. So a new detail that we have here, it's kind of the side profile of a skull. It also has a bow in the background and what looks like some flowers on top, which is quite nice. We have more of the little bird skulls everywhere, more clouds. Towards the bottom, it gets into this ribbon. Now the ribbon says 73, I think. And then the print right at the bottom, which is the showstopper, the reason I bought this dress, we have skeleton unicorns. So I think these are the cutest thing ever. Again, I'm very much drawn to sweet Lolita, but I wanted to spooky it up a little bit. And honestly, I don't know what's spooky, cute-er than skeleton unicorns. I think they are fabulous. Now they are just like gliding or prancing on top of a whole bunch of clouds, which is quite nice. We've got like a full moon here, but then also these unicorns kind of look like they're meant to be on a carousel, right? Because they have like this little swirly pole which connects up to a little crescent moon with a star. So it's very sweet, very lovely. To be honest, very reminiscent of the first dress I ever bought, which was that like, you know, bodyline JSK that everybody has. I think it's called Cecilia Merry-Go-Round. But yeah, man, I feel like this is a black and white spooky version of that dress, which is very cool. So in the bottom of this dress, it is only 2 layers. This first layer is kind of a like light chiffon. You can't really see my hand, but if I were to put this up to the window and look through the window kind of thing, you would be able to see through. So the one thing I was slightly off-put about this dress is the fact that it doesn't have any lace at the bottom. So you can see it's just a clear cut, kind of blunt ending. Now a lot of dresses do finish like that and it totally looks fine and it's acceptable, you know. It's just, it's not my personal preference. I would have preferred it, even if they put just a little bit of lace. It could have been white to like meld in with the white pattern here at the bottom. So this dress doesn't come with any waist ties, but one thing that is quite lovely about this dress is that the whole back is shearing. So can we see? Whoop, stretchy, stretchy. That's really cool. Again, that's going to fit a lot more body shapes, which is quite lovely. Since it doesn't have a waist tie and since the bodice is quite plain, this is why I decided to add a belt to it. Oh wow! Oh, it connects on the side. This is it! I fell in love with it mostly because these points that it comes down to remind me of a bat. Do they remind you of a bat? Maybe it's just me. But I thought that was very cute. The only thing that off-put me for this is the fact that they're these little eyelets. They're gold. So I would have preferred if they were silver, only because then it keeps all of my tones neutral. I was going to see how it looked once it was on, and if I really hated it, I honestly was just going to colour this in with a Vivid and colour them in black just so they would blend in a little bit. If I liked the gold, I would just add some gold accessories here and there, just to make it look like it's on purpose, if you know what I mean, which it will be at that point. But yeah, I wasn't sure about the gold and I still am unsure, so we'll see how that goes, and I have to see how I coordinate this at the end. So yeah, now I'm just going to try everything on and show you how it looks and how it fits. Give my opinion maybe on how it feels, whether it's comfortable. I'll also show you some shoes that I'm probably going to pair it with. I didn't buy any shoes, that was out of budget. But yes, let's get to the fun. Okay, so I'm not totally changed. I just thought I would show you the blouse before I put a dress on top of it so you can see it for itself. I'm in love with it. Oh my lord, I'm 100% going to buy a white one. If they have pink, I'll buy a pink one too. For $13, was it 13? $12 to $13, it's amazing. So you can see here it has the little cross strap. I wanted to do it up because I think it's just going to suit the outfit really well. Again, if you don't want them, just shove them down. You can see the ribbon around here, or the lace is quite nice. It is see-through, mind you. It is, you know, light chiffon, so you can totally see through it. So if I was to wear this without a dress on the top, you know, you need to wear like a boob tube or something along those lines, so you're not just looking at straight bra. Unless that's your fashion, man, you know, whatever's good. But I will show you how short it is, or where it sits on me. It's just here, so my belly button is like here for reference sakes. But yes, let's get fully dressed. So I'm fully dressed now, yay! I have the headband on, the dress, the belt, everything. I thought I would just show you up close how this looks here. So this is the headband. I've never bought one of these flat lying headbands because I'm into like super standing uppy, OTT, over the top style kind of hair accessories. So this was really out of my comfort zone to buy one that's so flat. And saying that, it probably looks quite poofy to a lot of people, but I love it. Oh my gosh, I think it's really cute. The sides are really sweet. Can you see them? So with the little pearl details, I feel like these accents of white is totally tying into my dress. As for the blouse, you got to see it before. I still love it. I think it sits really nicely underneath all of my my dress and my belt and stuff. Part of that reason, I feel like it's because it is cropped. There's less material to be underneath the belt in particular. So I really quite love the fact that it's cropped for that reason. It's like less material to be underneath this. And I live in the southern hemisphere, so yes, it's October and it's spooky season, but it's also like spring, summer, which really doesn't tie in nicely with aesthetics, because like I have a cherry blossom outside I'm taking photos next to, but I'm looking all spooky. You know, this could probably look better in front of a pumpkin patch than cherry blossoms. Whatever, off topic. Let's look at the outfit. Okay, so I'll stand up just to show you some of the details up close. So this is the top half of the outfit. Now, I really I don't know, I'm really pleased that the top was so plain, because this blouse is, you know, covering up a lot. You can't even see the straps, so it doesn't matter if the straps had more detail or more cuteness going on. As for the top of the lace on the dress, it blends into the black, so again, it being so plain wasn't a huge deal. I think it looks really quite cohesive and nice at the top there. And here it is, you can see it in shot, the belt. I adore this belt so much. I think it gives me a nice cinched look. It helps accentuate my poofy, what do I have? Petticoat, my lord. It helps accentuate my petticoat shape some more, and then the bust. I think it's just super adorable. So I just moved you as far over as I could. My room's super picky, so like, don't look at it. But I just wanted to show you the full silhouette. So this is it. Number one, a big star. My lord, do I love these sleeves. They are seriously everything. I think they really suit this spooky vibe, because they're kind of giving me like witch feelings. I don't know. I feel witchy. I feel like flailing my arms around more than usual, because I do that a lot. But yes, they're actually just so beautiful. I'm 100% gonna buy this blouse in whatever other colors that it comes in, because I love it. So you can see the whole dress in the silhouette. The dress does cut me just above the knee. I mean, like, that's where it falls on me. So if I were to flatten it down, my knee bends here for your perspective, if you can see. Yeah, which isn't a huge deal. It's totally fine. I am wearing one petticoat underneath for reference. It's just a super cheap one from AC/DC rag. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm in love with it. I really adore the shape that the belt is giving me. I think it's super cute and super spooky. So yeah, that is it. That is my whole review and try on process. I hope you guys liked seeing what I bought for this spooky season. Let me know what you think of this whole coordinate as well, what you might like or dislike about it. Personally, I'm really happy with it. I think all of my pieces go really well together. I think it looks nice for, I don't know, you know, it's difficult, man, to like put these images together and hope that it's going to look good when you yourself have it all on. So I'm very grateful and lucky that yes, I did enjoy everything on. I think the quality, honestly, for the amount of money that I've paid for it, the quality is like 10 out of 10. Like, it couldn't get better for the amount of money that I've spent. I'm really very pleased with the quality. Yeah, man, it's just good. So I said I would show you the shoes that I could possibly wear with this. Honestly, I thought they would fit in the frame when I showed you the whole outfit, but they don't. My room is a bit small. So at the moment, I'm going between two options. Let me just grab them. Either like a super chunky sneaker. I really like this like movement of Lolita in sneakers. Like, I think it's really cute. I love it. I'm all for it. If you're not into it, bummer. I got these off AliExpress if you're interested. But yes, I feel like maybe this, although now looking at it, this red is totally no, I can't. That unless I add red everywhere else, that's not happening. The other shoe option is another kind of platform. I only wear platforms. But yeah, man, and this one's more of a classic shiny look. This is probably the one that's going to win out, although the little ringlets are silver and the ones on my belt are gold. Personally, just me, myself, and I'm not into clashing hardwares. You know, if I'm wearing gold, it's all going to be gold. I'm not going to have any silver, and vice versa. So if I do wear these, then I'll totally color the ones on my belt in with like a Sharpie just to make them black so they blend in. But yeah, that's something for future T to decide on the day that she has to put everything on. And yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you liked seeing my outfit and liked hearing what I had to say about it. And yeah, man, I mean, if you're interested in any of this, the blouse, oh my god, buy yourself the blouse. I'm going to link it all down below for you so you can check it out. Do keep in mind Taobao, you do need a shopping service if you're not getting it shipped to China. And you also need to like shop on Chrome, like on your laptop or your like computer desktop, because Chrome will automatically translate the Chinese website into English. Still difficult to manage. I don't know, there's a lot of videos on how to shop off Taobao. You can sort that out yourself. Links will be down below for you though. I'm so awkward. That's it. That is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope to see you next time. Bye!